For this video, I want to cover the solid state mounting bracket. This one is a dual bracket. The reason I like this dual bracket better than the single bracket, it's a longer bracket. Let me unbox this and show you what comes involved and included in this set. This is the item. This bracket will actually hold 2 solid state drives or the old-fashioned mechanical drive. This is just a little short review on this product. There'll be more upcoming videos on actually the whole installation between the SSD and the bracket, the cable, the power adapter, because this is just going to be a simple unboxing so you're aware of what you actually get with this product while you purchase it. How many other pieces you will need depends on what your situation is. If it's a new install, if it's an upgrade, are you doing a clean install? There's a lot of factors that come involved into how many parts you will need to order to do an SSD upgrade. Those will be coming up in another video, but you have 2 bags of screws that comes with the mount, where when you buy the drive you get no screws. This is the place where if you're going to know you're going to need screws, this is the time, this is where you get them. When you order this unit, you will get the screws to mount the SSD to the mounting bracket and the mounting bracket to mount to the computer. Some computers have different kind of mounting systems. Some have a plastic bracket that the old style drive, let me grab one like this, is designed for. So you can see this bracket is the same size as the drive. So that way it's an easy swap out. Thank you.